Yo, my dudes, what is up? It is I, almost Galloping Elite Agent, back here today with another Animal Gym video. So, quick update. I got my puppy. My puppy is in my house. He's downstairs sleeping right now. But he's the cutest thing in the whole universe. Anyways, today's video, honestly, I need someone's help with something. So, as you know, OBS Studio, right? It lets you record. And I know a lot of people record with OBS Studio because it's free and all of that. But when I hit start recording, it comes up with bad file path. The configured file output path is invalid. Please check your settings to confirm that a valid file path has been set. Okay, and it won't let me stream, record with it, and I want to know how to do it. So if anybody can help me with that, please tell me in the comments below and help me with that. Because then that would be a much better recorder to record with. So I just want to do a quick little giveaway. So comment your usernames down below in the comments, as long as your status, and if you do know how to record with OBS Studio and what is going on with that, also tell me please. And the giveaway is the Cupid wings that I traded at Orange Long for, and don't tell me, Galloping, you overtraded, because I know. Anyways, so it was just a quick little giveaway and an asking for help, type of thing. So sorry it's a short thing, but hope you all still stay subscribed to me. So yeah, bye!